Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check your operating system version, ensure at least 2 GB free, and sign in as an administrator so changes can apply. Once done, temporarily pause antivirus or real-time protection to avoid blocked installers. You can re-enable it later. Next, open your browser, search for the official driver booster listing from a trusted source, and download the installer. This prevents fake copies and ensures the installer includes the latest driver database for broad device support. You run the installer with elevated permissions, decline toolbars and unrelated offers to keep the system clean. Once installed, launch Driver Booster and hit Scan so the program maps hardware and flags outdated drivers. This saves time versus manual checks. After the scan, inspect priority items like graphics, chipset, and network drivers. Update those first for system stability and performance gains. Make sure to enable automatic system restore or create a manual restore point before mass updates as a safety step. You apply updates starting with critical drivers or choose one by one to isolate problems. Create a restore point if you plan a bulk update. After installs, restart your computer so driver changes fully initialize, then verify devices in Device Manager and test hardware behavior. If something fails, use Device Manager to roll back the specific driver or restore the system to the point you saved. This reverses problematic changes without reinstalling Windows. Keep the Driver Booster installer handy for future scans and scheduled maintenance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.